homeschooling, housekeeping, content creation, being pregnant, running a business. Like, how do I fit all of this in one day? My super early morning routine is just not very aesthetic. It's kind of chaotic. I'm kind of not a human yet. So I'm not one of those moms that wakes up at 6 a.m., has my coffee in peace and quiet, and has my life figured out. It's not what you're gonna get here. It's chaos and snacks and coffee and breakfast and who knows what else. Let's write my to-do list. The beautiful thing about homeschooling and running your own business is the freedom to focus on what matters most that day. All right, the next thing I need to do is attack this mess because I can't focus on anything else while this house looks like this, so. Believe it or not, when it comes to these toys, there actually is a method to this madness. I have them pretty organized. They just disassemble it every day. All I really need to do to prep for homeschool today is just print out the worksheets that I already have in here, so I'm gonna do that. I think we put so much pressure on ourselves to do every single thing perfectly every single day, but if you're constantly overanalyzing everything you didn't do, you'll always feel like you're failing. You want to cut that box out, so you want to cut it right here where that line is. How many monkey and bananas is there all together? Okay, I'm fresh out of my homemade wipes, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix some more. Okay, I need 2 cups of warm water, a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now I'm putting my paper towels in my container, and I'm gonna pour this mixture over the paper towels. And my spoon is gonna fall. So annoying. And that is literally it. Oh wait. And I pull the center out. Oops. And I'm gonna let these get soaked for a while. Put them in the fridge and that's it. And the truth is, there are little wins in every single day. Maybe today I got 5 loads of laundry done, but homeschooling looked more relaxed, like puzzles, books, and learning through play. Maybe my house is a wreck, but I spent intentional time teaching the kids. Maybe the house looks amazing, but I got no editing done, didn't film what I wanted to film. That doesn't mean that the day was unsuccessful. We decided to get out of the house for a little bit, so me and my bestie got some coffee and brought the kids to the park. Renee is shooting a video at the skate park, so we're just enjoying some outside afternoon time. And that's just the day. The night is an entirely different thing. It's going to be its own video. Please like this video and leave a comment letting me know if you like videos like this, and subscribe to my channel if you like getting a glimpse into what homeschool life looks like.